adding some capers to 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And as you can see, we have veal cutlets in the background and they've already been tenderized. Next, I'll season our all-purpose flour with a few cracks of pepper and some salt. I'll blend that together and then we're going to dredge the cutlets in the flour. I've let the butter simmer on low for a minute or two. You just want all those flavors to incorporate before we add the cutlets. Now we're going to dredge a cutlet in the flour, and you can see I just want to coat it, and then I'm going to shake off the excess and put it down in that beautiful butter and olive oil mixture. And these cook very, very fast, so we'll only leave them in for a minute or two on each side. There we go. We're going to add the second one. Shake off all the excess and lay it down into your pan. Like I said earlier, you want these to cook for a couple of minutes in that nice butter oil mixture. I want a brown finish on the sides, and looking at this, I probably am going to turn them over one more time. I just want them to be a little bit darker. And those of you that have gone to an Italian restaurant, Veal Piccata is one of the most popular dishes on the menu, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make this at home. Now we're starting to get that beautiful finish, and so I've got to put some angel hair pasta in that pot in the back. Angel hair only takes about 3 minutes to cook, so it'll be ready by the time the piccata is finished. You can see that it's browning up nicely, and I'm going to flip again, and here we go. Now we're talking. That's the finish I want on the veal. Nice color. Again, I'm cooking this on a really low to medium setting because I don't want that butter to burn. Now we'll remove the veal and just place it in a bowl or plate and cover that with some foil just to keep it warm. And now the fun begins. We're going to make our piccata sauce. So all of those goody bits on the bottom of the pan are just so tasty. And you want to deglaze using a white wine. I used an inexpensive Pinot Grigio, and it was perfect for this dish. So in deglazing, you just want to scrape the bottom, make sure you get all of those yummy bits up, and let the wine reduce. So this only takes a minute or two. Just stay with it, and you'll see, and you can actually feel when you're stirring it around, you can feel the liquid getting thicker. And next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and let that melt. And that's going to give this sauce a very rich flavor. We'll also add about a tablespoon of lemon, and that was just the right amount. Sometimes lemon can be a little bit overpowering, but that worked out perfect, so I would use a tablespoon. Let's add some more capers, and I'm going to mix all this together. I'm on a medium heat right now, and again I'm making sure to scrape the bottom. And of course the butter is melting and it's just smelling delicious. And as this sauce thickens up, you may want to make it go a little bit further, especially if you have a big pile of pasta that this is going over. So you can add some chicken broth, and that actually adds a dimension of flavor to the dish. So we'll stir that around, and then I'm going to put the veal, back in the piccata sauce and let it absorb the flavors. And then we'll be ready to plate this up over a bed of angel hair pasta. So there you have it, veal piccata. It is so easy. And here is your traditional veal piccata. Now I want to show you a healthier version of veal piccata. I'm going to use cauliflower pasta for my pasta instead of angel hair, and I'm going to dredge the cutlets in almond flour. And we did a taste test after, and I'm going to tell you there was really no difference. So if you want to cut out white flour in your diet like I'm doing, you can use almond flour, and it was fine. So again, we'll just repeat all of the steps with a traditional piccata, and I'll show you what this healthier version looks like on a bed of cauliflower linguine. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Here it is, the low-carb version.